JiangSu Huida Medical Instruments Company Limited is located in the beautiful town of Red-Crowned Crane, where it is committed to the research and production of surgical instruments. It is a large-scale professional manufacturer producing microscope slides, cover glass, plastic labwares, laboratory glasswares, surgical sutures, surgical blades, blood lancets. Established in August 2003, our factory has 18,000 square meters facility. Besides, it has designated 12,000 square meters as standard workshops and 1,000 square meters as 100,000 grade purifying rooms, designated as the national industry rules of medical instruments required. We have a team with strong professional skills and the advanced manufacturing and inspection equipment. We also passed ISO 9001 and got CE certified and FDA approved. Our trade company, JiangSu Huida Import and Export Company Limited, takes charge of international trade. Our salespersons are experienced and professional, so customers can get good service and right products from them. 98% of our products are exported to USA, Canada, the European Union, Latin America, the Middle East, and other regions. We have our own brand JSHD, but we could also do OEM brand for our customers. Guided by the market, surviving on the basis of quality, and developed on science and technology, Huida aspires to supply the best products and service, becoming the most reliable partners to all the customers.